Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Savkar Navle. So today I'm going to talk about different topic. Again, it is into diet section. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about Dikshit diet. So what is Dikshit diet exactly? So we must have heard it, like all of us know that all of a sudden there is trend for Dikshit diet. So what is it exactly? So Dikshit diet is I want to talk about little bit of history. It is first actually, though we called it as a Dikshit diet, it is actually practiced by or made invented by, I can say, by Shrikant Jiskar. He was one of the most talented man in India. He was a doctor and he had so many degrees. Very talented person. So according to him, so he that time when he invented that diet, he made a treat like eating duration for almost 1 hour and 5 minutes, something like that, and he included in breakfast some high protein thing. Now what Dikshit, Dr. Jagannath Dikshit sir has done, he cut down those breakfast thing and cut down those timings of lunch and dinner and formulated a certain plan which is very specific, easy to follow. So what Jagannath Dikshit has told is, when you are following his diet, first thing he has advised clearly that go through your blood checkup once and just monitor what are the values HbA1c, fasting glucose and postprandial glucose. So if you are a diabetic, pre-diabetic or normal human being, you have to send those reports to him via WhatsApp and they will get back to you whether you can do the diet plan or not. So that is the basic thing. But if you know that your blood values are almost normal and you have done the blood checkup and you know you are not a pre-diabetic or diabetic person, then you can follow it directly. So what it says, it says you are supposed to eat twice. Okay, twice. The timing should be like whenever you feel too much hungry, morning hours and night hours, that two times you have to find out and then start eating accordingly. So now how to find out those two timing? Initially 7-8 days there will be slight amount of fluctuation. Like suppose first day I had food around 9 o'clock, so how much time I should eat the food every lunch or dinner? It should be within a span of 55 minutes. 55 minutes, whatever you want to eat, you can eat that food stuff. Night also 55 minutes, whatever you want to eat, you can eat that food stuff. Only thing, initially setting up those timing will be little tricky for you and you have to analyze your body. Okay, suppose first day I ate around 9 o'clock, but around 5 o'clock suddenly I felt too hungry. I ate around 5, but night before going to bed I felt like, oh god, I want to eat something. That time you have to modify little bit. 9 o'clock, instead of that, push it little further, go for 11 or 12. And at 12 o'clock, if you are eating food and then you are eating food around 7 o'clock, at the night time before sleeping you will be little full and you will sleep nicely. So those are the modification you need to understand. So according to him, you are supposed to eat only twice. Like I said, around 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever the morning times are comfortable for you, and as well as evening timing after 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever timings are comfortable for you. Meanwhile, what to do, what to drink, what you can have, according to him, he has done some survey while after eating food whether there is insulin secretion or not. In that he found out that you can have normal buttermilk. Okay, that can be taken, jahas we call or tak we call. Okay, that can be taken throughout the day when you feel hungry. Green tea you can take, black coffee you can take, normal tea without sugar. Okay, where the milk content is less than 25%, very minimum milk content, with that you can have that type of tea also. So these are the food stuff you can have. and he also suggested tomato, that is like if you want to have, you can have one tomato in between, so that food stuff you can have between the meal. Okay, so this is very simple to follow. Like as I told you, it is a modification from Shrikant Jiskar's plans, where Shrikant Jiskar was advising morning hours breakfast which included only protein. Okay, and later on he suggested two meals, exactly like Dr. Dikshit said, but in that he had I think 1 hour and 5 minutes eating window, which Dr. Dikshit has reduced by 10 minutes, so it is 55 minutes eating period where you can have food. And both of them suggested that once you start losing weight and once you reach that level where you are not losing weight, that time you have to add protein intake, reduce down the carbs little bit, so that there will be more weight loss. So this is what the basic idea about Dikshit diet plan. It's very easy to follow, convenient, and surely I'll make few videos regarding how it works and whether it is really helpful or not. Okay, so keep watching. Bye bye, take care.